गुड मॉर्निंग। आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे टू लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट पैरेलल कंडक्टर कैरी स्टेडी करंट I1 एंड I2 सेपरेटेड बाय ए डिस्टेंस d if the current s are flowing in the same direction. So how the magnetic field set up in one produce an attractive force on the other, obtain the expression for this force, hence define 1 ampere. Question are shown at the blackboard. See here. Two parallel wires on the blackboard. X, Y, current I1, I2, magnetic field due to current I1 at conductor wire Y2 at point using right hand thumb rule. Direction of current upward, so point in the direction of finger, then magnetic field inward. Inward magnetic field shown by cross. Magnitude of magnetic field due to current I1 V1 according to Biot-Savart's law. V1 is equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi I1 upon distance between them d. Again, magnetic field at conductor X due to conductor Y. Again using Biot-Savart's law. Direction of current I2 upward direction, point towards right to left. Magnetic field outward magnetic field, so point magnetic force due to magnetic field due to I2 at conductor wire X, B2 magnetic field B2 is equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi into I2 upon D, here I1 upon D. This is equation first, this is equation second. Force on the conductor Y due to current I2 is equal to force left is equal to V1 I1 into length of conductor L. V1 I2 into length of conductor pushing the value of V1 from equation first F equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi I1 upon D into I2 L. Force on conductor force per unit length. Force per unit length. F upon L is equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi I1 I2 upon D. This is equation third. Direction of force using right hand thumb rule. Direction of magnetic field inward, direction of current upward, pushing the direction of magnetic force, right to left, force F. Again force conductor X due to current I2. Similarly, force on conductor X, F equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi I1 into L. Putting the value of force on conductor X, F equal to V2 I1 L. Putting the value of V2 from equation second. F equal to V2 mu 0 2 pi I2 upon D into I1 L. Force per unit length. F upon L equal to mu 0 upon 2 pi I1 I2 upon D. Equation number 4. Equation 3rd and 4 are similar. Direction of force of equation 4. Direction of current upward, magnetic field outward. The pushing direction is the force of magnetic force left to right. Both forces are attractive. Thank you.